Now it's time to understand the calculation of median in some specific cases where some adjustments are required before actually the median is calculated. So let us understand more about such cases. Hello everyone, welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Punavora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. So far you have understood estimating median in individual, discrete and continuous series. Now we shall discuss estimating median in some of the special cases. In these special cases, some adjustments are required before median is calculated. So let's understand about these special cases. We shall discuss two special cases for the estimation of median. One, when cumulative frequency distribution is given, and two, when the class intervals are unequal. Both these cases are a part of continuous series. So we shall begin with the case when cumulative frequency distribution is given and how is median then estimated. Let us understand how is median estimated in cumulative frequency distribution. Here the information is about the wages of the workers working in a factory and we need to find the median wage. So information given is wages less than 220 which 4 workers get, wages less than 230 which 12 workers get, wages less than 240 which 24 workers get, wages less than 250 which 34 workers get, and wages less than 260 which 39 workers get. Now the point to note here is the number of workers, and one can notice that every succeeding frequency is a higher value. Like 12 is higher than 4, 24 is higher than 12, 34 is higher than 24, 39 is higher than 34. So it is a cumulative frequency distribution. Now let us see the solution. As usual, you need to first make a table with 3 columns. 1, wages given as class intervals. Then 2, cumulative frequency that is given. 3, frequency which you need to find. Let's see the steps. First step is that you need to convert cumulative frequency into simple frequency. I hope all of you know that, but for your convenience, in order to find simple frequency for the second interval, it will be cumulative frequency of the second class interval minus cumulative frequency of the first class interval, that is 12 minus 4, which is 8. And similarly, in each case, one can find the simple frequency. Then after that, you need to follow the same steps, that is find sigma f, which is 39 in this case, find median n by 2, that is 39 by 2, which is 19.5, then find out where does it fall. It does not fall in the category of 4 and 12 because both these values are less than 19.5, so it falls in the value of 24. So one can find the median class, which is 230 to 240. So lower limit of this class is 230, cumulative frequency is 12, frequency is also 12, and class interval is 10. Then apply the formula L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into I. Substitute the values, calculate, and you get median. In this case, median wages are 236.25. Let us now understand how is median estimated when the class intervals given are unequal with the help of an illustration. Now this illustration is about the wages of the workers. Wages are given in class intervals, number of workers as frequencies. Concentrate on the class intervals. Now the first class interval is 210 to 220. The difference between lower and upper class limit is 10. 4 workers fall in this category. The second class interval is 220 to 240, where the difference between lower and upper class limit is 20. 8 workers fall in this category. Third class interval is 240 to 270, where the difference between lower and upper class limit is 30, and 12 workers fall in this category. In the next case, the difference between lower and upper class limit is 5, and 10 workers fall in this category. In the last case, the difference between lower and upper class limit is 25, and 5 workers fall in this category. So one can notice that the class intervals are unequal. It is 10 in the first case, 20 in the next case, then 30, then 5, and then it is 25. So one needs to understand how is median calculated in such a case. Let's see. Now let's have a look at its solution. We begin with having a table with 3 columns comprising of salary in the class intervals, number of workers as frequency, and one needs to find cumulative frequency. Let's have a look at the steps. There is no change here. You don't have to do anything if the class intervals are unequal. You are concerned only with that class interval where the median item lies. So the steps here are: find out sigma f, which is 39 in this case. Find out median, that is n by 2, which is 19.5 item, and it falls in the cumulative frequency of 24. So median class is 240 to 270. That is what you are more concerned with. So your lower class limit is 240. Cumulative frequency is 12, which is a value preceding to this median item. Then frequency is 12. Class interval is 30. Now apply the formula L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into I. Substitute the values, calculate, and get median. So in this case, median wage is 258.75. To sum up, so far you have understood that the median is the middle value of the series in which items are arranged in a sequential order. In individual series, median can be found by applying n plus 1 by 2. The size is located in the value of x, that is the variable or items. In discrete series also, median item is found by applying n plus 1 by 2. But here the size is located though in value of x or the variables, but against the cumulative frequency in which it falls. In continuous series, one can find the median item by applying n by 2, and then the exact median can be estimated by applying this formula, that is L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency over frequency into I. I hope you have understood all the steps involved. In the next video, we shall discuss how is median located graphically. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.